I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'm a beast of the net. They can never be me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Whoa, whoa. Yeah, guys, you're welcome live today with me. So much going on in the market already that I want us to discuss. We're gonna talk on, you know, recent crypto news, what's going on with Donald Trump, recent assassination attempt. My stream is gonna be lagging somehow. It's gonna be, I don't know, should I say lagging? Yeah, lagging, because my battery is low. So this is what happens. But I just have to do this live show with you guys today. And yeah, let's discuss a couple of stuff going on with crypto, Bitcoin, and the future. Yeah, so let's begin with, of course, crypto bubbles. Let's see what's going on with the bubbles. Crypto bubbles look somehow, bloody. I should say maybe because of what's happened. We know Trump is in favor of cryptocurrency. You want to see cryptocurrency survive, and he has come with his own, project that we're going to talk about today. And I think this is something that we should actually um take serious, because Trump is gonna might be the next US president. So this is gonna play a huge role um in cryptocurrency. We know that if Trump becomes the next US president, this is gonna help crypto a lot, looking at what he's doing to promote crypto. So let's just get into this, bubbles. Let's begin with the top 100 coins. We always want to look at the top 100 coins to see what they are doing, what is going on there. And as usual, you can see the coins that are in red, the bubbles in red are actually the ones that the coins that Bitcoin is outperforming, and the ones in green are the ones that Bitcoin that are outperforming Bitcoin. Yeah, so the one in red, Bitcoin is outperforming them, and the one in green, they are outperforming Bitcoin. Now let's look at this data here. We can see clearly that Bitcoin now is at $58,000. I mentioned this already in my previous videos. Ethereum is this. Ethereum is showing bearish, and there's more opportunity for Ethereum. I'm going to discuss more on that. We can see that the entire crypto market before, it was 2 point something trillion, like, or let's say 2.6 or 2.8 trillion. And now 2.08 for 2.08 trillion, and now it's 2.04 trillion. So it's holding this 2 trillion stuff, which is good. It's down 2.9%, which is good. We want to see the crypto market stay above 2 trillion, and this is going to help a lot in the future. Going to the news, MicroStrategy buys additional 18,300 BTC for more than 1 billion. I don't know what's going on with this Mikey Seller guy. He owns more than 1% of the total supply of Bitcoin, and we are going to get more information on, like, not like we're going to get more information, but in the future we're going to see so many companies copying MicroStrategy, how they go about building one of the top Bitcoin based business or crypto based business, just by buying Bitcoin and putting it on their balance sheet, helping their investors to make more money. So looking at this, I would say that if someone like MicroStrategy is building a Bitcoin based business long term, then we who are just normal retail investor should take this serious. That's why you see me, guys. I'm building my content around Bitcoin. I'm building my show around Bitcoin, because I want you guys to have the best, out there. I'm not gonna, start telling you guys not to ever buy Bitcoin or not to look at Bitcoin serious, because it's just gonna be like I'm helping you guys to fail. If you understand Bitcoin, then you understand what's going on in the market. Like if we just go quickly, let's go quickly. Let's see. Let me show you guys something here quickly, so you can see that. Looking at this chart for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down just 2.94%, or let's say almost 3% for the past 24 hours. But look at Ethereum, 5%. Look at the rest. You can scroll down, look at the rest of the coins that are the amount that they are down. It means that Bitcoin have more strength. Okay, and I just showed you guys from the top 100 coins, you can clearly see the ones that are doing well against Bitcoin and the one that Bitcoin is doing well. Guys, this is very important long term. If say you want to really have a good investment strategy, then you should build it around Bitcoin. So looking at MicroStrategy, what they are doing, building everything around Bitcoin, it makes sense. And we also have another news here. It says that financial freedom or false promise. Expert weighed in on the truth behind Trump's war, Liberty Financial. So Trump will Trump involve the world liberty finance attract more investors, or will it increase the scrutiny on project that is already raising eyebrows due to its controversial token distribution and governance expert weighed in? So if you don't know, Trump is planning to launch this project. I think he mentioned that it's gonna be on Twitter Space on Monday, today, to talk more about this. Yeah, September 16th. So I'm gonna be listening to Trump on September 16th to listen to what he got to say. So I think if say you are like I'm gonna be live. Maybe I should be live. I don't know exactly what time today, but it's gonna be at 8 p.m. EST. So I'm gonna be live 8 p.m. to EST today, to see or to listen to what Trump has to say, and maybe this might impact the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, because I think there's lots here that most people don't understand. If Trump is taking this big move to like launch his own crypto project on the Ethereum blockchain, it speaks a lot of volume for the entire crypto market, and this might also pump the price of Ethereum. So that's something. And now also I have another good news for you guys. Binance lists Telegram mini app game Catizen on launch pool. Guys, Telegram, we're gonna be talking about some like Telegram project. Um, I don't know what time yet or which day yet, but I'm gonna do more research on most of the top Telegram project. I think Telegram is an upcoming blockchain, and it's been like, let me not say owned, but Durov, the owner of sorry, I wanted to talk about Ton blockchain. Ton blockchain is one of the top blockchain out there, and Telegram is part of the Ton blockchain to an extent, even though they will not say it directly like in the media. They will just like try to separate Telegram from Ton blockchain. And I think Telegram and Ton blockchain is owned by Durov. I think Durov is actively behind the Ton blockchain, and we know that Telegram is one of the biggest app right now in the world. So um looking at this project, I think it's gonna be one of the top project on Telegram, or on the Ton blockchain. Yeah, on the Ton blockchain. Yeah, it says here that let's go down. The end of the farming period will also see Binance at Cathy spot trading. So at the end of the I think the future launch, but Binance is also gonna launch spot trading for this coin. I'm gonna after this show, I'm gonna see how I can farm some of this token. It says here that the Telegram mini program platform has experienced notable growth in recent months, with multiple breakout projects making it to market. Despite the setback, the instant messaging app received after the arrest of its founder and CEO Pavel Durov, Telegram remains one of the platforms seeing the fastest adoption of native blockchain-based project. Okay, so growth for the Ton ecosystem has seen Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume, now add support for five of these projects. So guys, don't take this lightly. I encourage you guys to go to Binance. If say you don't yet have a Binance account, use my link below to register with Binance. My affiliate link below. But if you live in the United States, then I don't think you'll be able to participate in it. Those of you who live out of the United States, you'll be able to get um to participate with this launch pad. Yeah, I think so because Binance.com, except I think maybe they're gonna launch it on Binance.us, but this is more of Binance.com. So it's very important you look at this. And also there's more news about that. Binance Lab invest in GameFi platform behind Telegram based Web3 gaming game Citizen. So there's a lot going around this project that I think, if you guys look at it, I've tried to pull the chart of Citizen. I haven't been able to do that. I try to look at some, if say I can get some details about it, but most of the stuff I got was more just, scam. So I'm gonna do a special video on this project, so we can get the right information. But if say you want to trade this again, you can go and trade this on Binance. It's very important. As I mentioned, guys, there's a lot of stuff we're gonna cover here today, and those of you who actually want to make money in this game, in this industry, then you have to pay attention always to um my analysis. We're gonna go straight away to. So I'm trying to arrange my camera now a little bit. Let's see. Okay. So let's dive right now. I think maybe you guys are getting me late, but we're just gonna manage. As I mentioned, my laptop is it has just 6% right now, so we're gonna manage this. Now those of you who haven't yet follow me on X, this is my X, the Betong. Follow me on X. Awesome to you that who are following me on X. I share stuff every now and then as well. Now let's get to the Big Daddy and analyze what is going on with the Big Daddy. I've always mentioned to you guys that the way I look at the market, the way I analyze the market is based on what Bitcoin will do. And if Bitcoin is not doing so well, then your altcoins wouldn't do well. Any gains that your altcoin have made, Bitcoin is gonna eat it if say you don't cash it out. So looking at Bitcoin now on the daily time frame, this is what we got. Okay, you can see clearly that each time the alpha trend print a sell signal on the daily time frame, you know, we see a buy and when we see a buy signal after the dump, what happens again? Price is not able to go and make higher highs, and as a result, price will dump and make lower lows. So we can see lower, this low here, this low here, and this low here. So maybe we have seen the three drop. Usually it happens. We see three drops, um, after the three drops, we can see quick recovery. But for us to confirm that we are back in an uptrend, I've told you guys how to do it. When you look at market structure is king. And doing analysis on Bitcoin will help you understand what will happen to your altcoin. Again, I'm going to repeat you guys. You might not love Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not part of the kind of coin you want to buy. But look at Bitcoin as that coin that will give you the go ahead to buy your altcoin and determine how long you want to hold it. If you are an investor, you are someone who actually is buying a particular coin for a long term, it's also important that you know when to buy that coin when the market is either in a bear market or in a bull market. So you can look at Bitcoin to give you that go ahead that, okay, now the market looks bullish because Bitcoin looks bullish. And if Bitcoin is outperforming your coin, then I don't understand why you want to be in that coin rather than you just being in Bitcoin and making more money and then make money from any altcoin out there, and you're not able to keep that money, then you have a problem. You are falling in love, and we're not here to fall in love. We're here to build wealth, to keep it, to be able to have a strategy that will help us make money long term. And looking at Bitcoin will help you make money from your altcoins. I trade altcoins just to make more Bitcoin. That's the truth. And I've seen that this strategy is working. And I'm gonna be doing this over and over again until Bitcoin ceases to be the catalyst that moves the market greatly. Now, looking at this, you can see price has been forming lower highs. You see this higher, this higher, this higher, this higher, this high, and all these highs has been below, hasn't been able to go and create another higher highs. Breaking structure where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. Look at the sell signal. Except this one below, if those one is equal with this one, but this two. So for us to confirm that we are back in a bullish trend with your altcoins, then Bitcoin must do this. It must break that structure. Come back, hold it. That's when you're buying, my friend. That's when you're getting involved with your altcoin because you know that Bitcoin has given us the go ahead that we are going to stay in structure. And I mentioned that Bitcoin must trade above 65,000, hold 65,000, and must not go and break, after breaking this point here. So, knowing this information, guys, you should be ready to look at what your altcoin is doing. For example, if I look at Bitcoin right now doing this, what should I do? I can go now if Ethereum is my play. If I'm looking at Bitcoin to trade Ethereum, I can go now to Ethereum and look at Ethereum on the same time frame, daily time frame. Now, I'm on the daily time frame for for Ethereum. You can see what is happening with Ethereum on the daily time frame. Look at this. Ethereum also is forming lower lows and lower highs, right? But Ethereum has a structure that it has formed. So looking at this now, I see more upside for Ethereum if Bitcoin recovers. If then Ethereum has to go back to about $4,000, we're looking at a 70% or let's say uh, almost 80% profit for Ethereum. Now, if we go to Bitcoin and do the same calculation, we can make if Bitcoin goes back to where Bitcoin was before this dump. Now looking at again, guys, bear with me. This is freezing. So if we now do the same analysis on Bitcoin, you can see where price is right now. If price goes to the high, that's just 25%. Okay, so you can use Bitcoin alone to make that amount, increase your capital with Ethereum. And Ethereum is the second largest coin in the market. Now let's allow Ethereum alone and go to Solana and perform the same thing. Solana looks so bullish, even though Solana is where it is right now. So looking at Solana, if Solana have to go to $200, that's we are looking at the daily time frame. So now went right up to $210. Let's say it has to go back there. You can see the same trend is happening, lower lows, lower lows. So if Solana have to go back to that level, let's calculate it. It's important, guys. Let's see how many percent we can make if Solana goes back to up there. We're looking at about 60% gain from Solana. So looking at Solana and Ethereum, which one will you make more money if it goes up? This is how you can use. This is how you calculate it. And which one have the more upside? If Solana is to break structure, what will happen with Solana? You can perform the same thing I'm doing with any altcoin out there, but look at it on higher time frame. It's very important you look at it on higher time frame because we are here long term, right? Then you have to look at what is going on that day, right? If price is bullish and looking at what price is doing that day might help you to understand what price might do for that week, for the week. If price is holding structure in a particular day, then it means that price is about to pump or give you more profit. And you can see, looking at Solana even on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that Solana looks bearish here, even though I would say it's bullish looking at where it came from, right? Price came from. Now, I already told you guys about structure. we have gotten rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, rejection for Solana, and this might be in the next zone where Solana might want to pump to the next like to break structure. So if you see me, guys, come here and try to explain to you guys how the market moves, it's because I want you guys to understand the bigger picture. What is going on in the market, how you can capitalize on price action, on market structure, how you can look at Bitcoin to make more of your altcoin. Okay, Rashini. Thanks for Rashini. I'm happy you're here with me today. Um, How are you doing? Network, yeah, network. Um, Jack from Sao Tome here in Africa. Okay, that's awesome. Good to have you here, my friend. Hopefully you are you are with us today. I'm glad to see that you are with us today. Let me know where you are watching from, guys. Let me know where you are watching from. You can see this. My friend here is from Sao Tome here in Africa. It's awesome to have you here today, my friend. You know, let me know which coins you're holding. I can do analysis on them if you don't mind. I'm here to help anyone out there who want to build something sustainable. I know what I do. I do it for you guys and for me. I love this. I'm passionate about this, and I'm gonna do my best every day to help you guys, understand what is going on in the market, how you can take advantage of price action, how you can take advantage of Bitcoin to make money from meme. Like I have meme coins that I share with you guys. I'm gonna share more of them today as well. So we see what is going on. And guys, if you wanna push my stream, do like the stream, share it with your friends, retweet it. Those of you who are watching it on X, or retweet it. Those of you who are watching it on um, on YouTube, share my content. I'm gonna be appreciative. Well, no, I already appreciate you. Now, I want us to look at the altcoin market, right? It's important we look at the altcoin market. Because the altcoin market is being moved by Bitcoin. Now, this is total two, right? Total two are all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. That means Ethereum and the rest. So what do you see here on the chart? You can see price is respecting structure and price is moving in an uptrend. I drew this trend line here, and I want you guys to pay attention to this chart, because this chart um can make a lot of money. I mentioned market structure. You can see price is dipping. I mean, the altcoin market is in a downtrend, but is bullish, because right now we might be forming this ascending wedge, ascending wedge that it might break at one point. You can see it might break at one point. So if price keep, we can see price go down, like the altcoin market can go down, but it should hold. Yeah, hold, be above this trend line, and it can do something like this until it pump. Now we are still a long way to say we are back bullish with altcoin. Okay, now for us to confirm that the altcoin season is back, we are back, we are in business. Price must do this, guys. You should watch my channel every day. When you see my videos, watch it. Look at this structure here. For us to confirm that the altcoin market is going to be is like we are back. This is what price must do. This is what we should see on the altcoin market chart. That's all coins excluding Bitcoin. This is it. Price must go. Let me take off this first. Price must do this. Price, you want to see price do this? Break structure, go up like that. Break structure, and when price breaks structure, do you know what will happen? Price will come back here. And what do we expect price to do? Price should hold. Yeah. Price will come back there. That's what price does. Price will come back there. Either come back right down here to hit this trend line. It will be to around this zone where the trend line is. So price might move like that. And that's when you are loaded up on your altcoin. What is going on right now with altcoin is more of trading. Like you trade short term, swing trading, day trading. Because like, and also at the same time I'm showing you guys zones where you can get in like fully, and without you panicking that maybe price is gonna dump on you. When the altcoin market is gonna do something like this, goes to above 1 trillion, oh boy, we are eating every bit of price, every bit of the coins we own. We're gonna buy more of them and hold it more longer term, because each and every area you see this sell signal here, that's where price will go and reject. This indicator is free of charge. I have done a video about how to use it, and I want you guys to also take advantage of it. I'm gonna be doing a session on the 18th, and I'm encouraging you guys to join it. It's gonna be on on Eventbrite. I'm gonna do it on Zoom. If you guys want the link, I can share the link with you. But if you join my Telegram group, I'm gonna share it there as well. So the link of my Telegram group is found. If you're watching on X and you wanna get the links to my Telegram group, then make sure you actually are watching me on Facebook, on YouTube as well. But let me just share link to my Telegram group. I know I don't have to do this right now, but I think I should share the link to it now. I'm gonna pin it. I think after the show I'm gonna pin it, but let me just share this at the comment section live right now. For my link tree, you can get a lot of stuff. So if you are not watching me on, I think if you're watching me on Facebook, just go to the description of this video or on X. I think let me go on X right now and share this. Let me see if say I'm live. Yeah, this is my live stream on X. Right now, let me just like it and um comment this here on X so you guys can have it. So this is the link. Connect with me. As it there. Oops. Yeah, those of you who are watching, you can join my Telegram group. I'm gonna share the link to the event on the 18th. And what I want to do on the event is teach you guys market structure, teach you guys when to buy and take out profit. I know what I'm doing here is almost, I want to thank you guys also. Yeah, look at this. We have 5,012, and yeah, this is it. 5,512. And you can see also everything about my analysis on um on YouTube, right? So we are growing on YouTube, thanks to all of you who are subscribed to my platform on YouTube. Thanks so much, and also those of you who follow me on X and on Facebook. Now let's get back to business. You know, this is like the total two, and total two. If you go to Trading View, you search for total two. It means all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin. Now let's go to all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the most important altcoin chart that I'm showing you guys. You know about in the market, in the crypto market. If you say you understand this chart, you are able to focus on this chart, Bitcoin, then you're gonna help you to make better decisions, better decisions, better decisions, better decisions. I'm not able to call or to speak now, but you understand what I'm trying to say here, guys. I want you guys to have the best entry, and you can see, you see lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And price held structure here. So we don't want price to do this. We don't want this. This is what we don't want. No matter what happens, guys, we don't want price to break this structure down here. We don't want it. If price does that, then we are in deep shit. Then we have to allow price to make its way back up again. That's not what we want. We want price to stay above and be in structure. Price to stay above, to not break here, not break. We don't want price to break. Where we are right now, this W formation, we want price to respect it and take it to the upside. That's what we want. We want price to respect this W that we are seeing, and price should break structure. But ever since the alpha trend printed this buy signal, we didn't succeed to go and break and make higher highs, and we have seen a new sell signal. For us to invalidate this sell signal, price must not go and break this zone here. So this is very important, guys. You should understand this, and you must not know everything. That's why I'm gonna be doing live stream for you guys to see overall what's going on in the market. Another stuff I want us to see is this, and this is on the USDT dominance. The USDT dominance, I use it a lot, because I want to see what investors are doing. Are they favoring USDT, or are they favoring crypto? And right now you can see that whenever the price is dipping, it means they are favoring crypto, and when price is pumping, it means, I mean, Bitcoin, it means they are favoring stable coin, that they want to be in stable coin. But now there's something here. The halfway price, ever since price pointed this buy signal here, we have been in an uptrend. So we have been paying attention to buy signal, because we have been in this uptrend, this higher lows, higher highs on the USD dominance. But now there's a catch here. This zone was a zone that I marked long time ago when price was still down here. I knew when we get here, we're gonna see some massive rejection, and this might cause the price of Bitcoin to pump. So each time I see price respecting this trend line, I knew my target was gonna be here. And if Bitcoin is not able to break this zone, maybe it can come down towards this. Not Bitcoin, I mean USDT. Maybe it can come right down and retest this trend line again. But at one point, this might break and go right down back to 4%. And if this is the case, we might see Bitcoin shoot right up to about $80,000. So this is important also when you are buying or trading any altcoin out there. Guys, I favor your altcoin. I want us to buy altcoin. I want us to trade altcoin. But we have to understand what is going on in the market. And when we look at what is going on in the market, oh, guys, I can see we have 5,513. Thanks for that person who just subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now, let's get back to business. So, looking at this, guys, I want to go to the lower time frame, but I want us to analyze this on daily time frame. Is very important. And I want to go now to some of the coins that we trade and look at it on daily time frame. Look at it on the 4 hours time frame, 1 hour, and possibly 50 minutes. So let's just begin. Let's just continue with this one and look at what is going on generally before we can go to particular stuff. All right. And also, looking at this, I want, like, if this USDT dominance is like, if it breaks structure, let's say, let's go to the daily time frame. Let me refresh this page so we can, let's see, let's refresh this. Okay, now you can see clearly where price is at, on the USDT dominance. You can see clearly what is going on here. Let me zoom this out a little bit again. So you can see price is respecting the structure. But looking at this on the 5-day time frame, or if possibly we go to the weekly time frame, we can see here that before price printed a sell signal, yeah, for the USDT dominance. And because price printed a sell signal, we saw how price was trading below, for you. I mean, the dominance was trading below the alpha trend on the weekly time frame until price break here, with this vector candle, and it has recovered half of this vector candle, and we are still in this uptrend. Now, what we expect to happen? Short term, we might see this reverse a little bit, and Bitcoin might get right up to about, let's say, $80,000 per Bitcoin. But we still have to see the USDT dominance recover right up towards this, where we see the alpha trend pointed a sell signal. So if, say, price is not able to break this zone and go and make higher highs, yeah, on the weekly time frame, then Bitcoin will also gonna be bullish on the weekly time frame. If this breaks above, then Bitcoin will be bearish on the weekly time frame. We might see Bitcoin price go more downward and the entire crypto market. That's why we are thinking, like most people are saying, that Bitcoin can get right down to $48,000 or $42,000 per Bitcoin. This is possible. They can push price there. So I want us to look at this, like this structure, to prepare us for what is coming in the future. So hopefully this really has bring you guys some light on what is going on in the market. Good morning, Fidelis Car. It's good to have you here today. Always good to have you, Fidelis, my man, my guy. So, let's get back to business, guys. You can comment the altcoins you want me to do analysis on. I'm gonna do it, but I have my own altcoins, of course, that I always love to do analysis on. And okay, let's see which one we got here first. Let me go to um Baby Dogecoin. I know you guys want to see Baby Dogecoin, but before we even go there, I want us to look at Chepley. I haven't been talking about Chepley for a while now, but recently I made a video about Chepley, and I want you guys to take this video seriously. About Chepley. This is one of the coins that I look at to make more Bitcoin. Imagine that you catch this bomb to the upside, and then you are gonna catch it again here to take it again back up to the upside. You know, Price has been dumping. Since let's see, since which month? Since March of 2024, price has been dumping. And I drew these guys. I mean, at times I do analysis and I come back and look at it. I'm like, wow, wow, I was able to see this, and also try to help you guys out at the same time. Now we are here. This is where we are on Chepley, CHLP, right? So this downward movement, what do we expect to happen? Where price is at a zone where we should be buying Chepley. This is a zone that price is respecting structure. Yeah. After this breakout, price must come back to it because this was just should I say market manipulation. Now price is back to fair game. So what next? These guys who bought here and made money here, they sold. So price has gotten back to where they were buying. So you should take it serious because they're gonna buy, accumulate here, and push it back, boom, to the upside. Then trap those who bought at the top. And I don't want you guys to be the people who buy at the top. Now let's look at Chapley on the daily time frame. Okay. Okay. Now on the daily time frame, you can see clearly what is going on here on Chapley. The same thing going on with Bitcoin and most of the chart I've shown you. It's the same thing going on here with Chapley. Look at ever since the alpha trend pointed the sell signal, we have been seeing lower lows and lower highs. You see, and now we should expect price to break structure. Guys, one thing I want you to understand is this: when you look at analysis, when you look at price action, how you become successful or good at what you're going to be doing next when price is doing something is when you are patient enough to wait for price to react towards your plan or towards the way you look at the market. Now, what did I mention in my previous video or today? For us to be able to confirm structure, we must see price break above where the alpha trend has printed a sell signal, then come down. That's when we are buying. We are buying when price retrace. Okay, if you are an investor of Jepley, you believe in this project long term, then you are already buying now. But for those of us who are conservative, who want to get this bad boy at the best price, we are gonna wait to see what price will do. Now look at this zone here. Look at what happened. Before price break structure here, it break the structure here, it came back and then retested. So if price break this structure, it must come back and retest it again. It must come back and retest it. That's how price moves. So if you are able to buy it here as an investor, good, fine. But if you're able to buy it here after break of structure, also as an investor, it means you have gotten in at a better entry. Because here, price can still come down here again, and price can still keep going down, 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 and you'll be losing. But if price breaks structure, it gives us confidence, knowing that now the bulls are in charge. Okay, so you can apply the same analysis with any coin out there. Chepley, I'm doing Chepley because Chepley is one of the coins I talk about on my platform. I've talked about it in the past. Um, I'm gonna still keep creating videos around Chepley. Guys, in the end of this, at the end of this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys what will happen to this week, like what might happen this week for crypto coins. I have some data that I'm gonna show you on the liquidation heat map, you know, on what might happen. But I want us to look at some of these altcoins that we are holding, you know, to give us more opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Now, let's let's look at you know, some more tokens here. Let's go to, I want to go to floki. You know, as I mentioned, guys, my laptop is, I don't know what's going on here, but I think my next stream will be much better. It won't be freezing like this because I had to do this video based on what is going on with Bitcoin, but I don't think I'm going to be doing altcoin analysis, more altcoin analysis now, because of what is going on right now with my laptop. If it is freezing with you guys can let me know that it's freezing. Is my content lagging? Are you getting some lag, or is it okay? Let me know. But if it is lagging, then I'm gonna you know, stick on this chart. So let me stick on this chart. Let's stick on this chart. Let's stick on this one to stick on, you know, I mean the setting. Okay. Now looking at, I want us to look at another coin, which one is the CSPIO Chepley, and this is also on the higher time frame. You guys has been complaining, you know, that this coin is a scam. I don't yet have more data whether this coin is a scam or not. But what I do know is that investors or traders react to price action, and the price can speak volume on what is going on with the project. Either the coin has, or the project has a bad marketing, you know, or maybe investors don't believe in the project. Okay, but this is an opportunity because they are die-hearted fans, or yeah, holders, investors who might capitalize on this, you know, movement. Yeah, look, ever since that was in March. Now we are in August, no, September. So any move here that breaks structure, you know, pump this coin, pump it right up there, pump it, and it might pump it right up here. So if say something is going on with the project, or there's like, I don't know yet, but I think that uh these guys, they have a blockchain project, based project, and yeah. So if you think that something is going on with the project, it's a scam, I think otherwise, maybe we can go. Okay, I'm gonna go deeper right now to talk about like look at what they have been doing recently. I'm gonna do a special video on that, you know, so we can both see what is going on there. But this is what I try to preach to you guys. I was talking about this project a long time ago, you know, and I stopped talking about it because I saw that it wasn't the right time. Like, if you have been part of my community for a long time, then you know that I've talked about so many coins and that I don't talk about anymore. And if I don't talk about it, it means nothing is really happens to it, or is about to make a big move, looking at price action. And looking at dump like this, you know, I'll tell you that based on my experience, we're gonna see recovery at least to this zone here, to this area here. We're gonna see it, no doubt. We must see it, you know, recover to this area here. And I'm gonna do a video after this to show you guys that I'm right, or I was right. You know, we're gonna see recovery there, and the recovery, for us to confirm, those of you who think that this coin is gonna be like is the best coin, is your all and all, you know, you have to, you know, confirm an upward movement for this coin. When it does something like this, it goes up, come back there and hold this zone here. It must do that. If it's not able to do that, then okay, good luck with it. You know, I have no bias for any project. I'm looking at price action. It tells me what to do at at what point in time. You know, so pay attention to CSPI or Casper. You might be losing money, or I might just help you save money, or help you get a better entry for that. Now let's look at Floki Inu on the daily time frame. Floki Inu actually is one of my top meme coin. I have Floki Inu and Baby Dogecoin. They are my top meme coins. I don't see them anymore as meme. I don't see them anymore as meme coin. Honestly, I see them now as project that are building. For the long term. So looking at this, you can see huge pump like this, and price have eaten back half of your profit, or more than half of your profit. So if you follow the way I trade, you would have sold a long time ago, or even because I look at price action, and I know that when price does something like this and come and it's not able to go and make higher highs, the next thing the price is gonna do is at least eat half of this move here before maybe attempt again to go up like what price did here. It's very important you understand, like, guys, trading is not that complicated. Before, I was thinking, like, when I was learning how to trade, learning, understanding, try to understand price action, I focus on so many indicators, ignoring that these indicators are moving alongside price. And these indicators, what they are trying to show you or to show us is what price is doing. Either price is breaking structure, respecting support and resistance in a trend, in an uptrend, or in a downtrend, or price is consolidating. This is what you should understand about price action. If you're able to understand, market structure, support and resistance, trend line, or upward trend and downward trend, but when structure is broken on any time frame, then, my friend, most at times you're gonna make a good decision as you trade or invest in that coin or in that project. You know, I I want to be that person who help you, build something sustainable in this industry. I want to be that person who work with you. I want us to do this, and I've been doing this for a long time now. You guys who have been with me for a long time, I can testify that I'm here genuinely, not just because I want, like, it's like I want views, I want, to capitalize on people's vulnerability. No, I'm here. That's why you will not see my content get more, because I don't hype. I don't want to come here and start, like, saying things that you want to hear. I'm here to look at what the market is doing, and we communicate like people who really want to make money, not like people who want to just, like, fast, sharp. You know, Again, if you have any coin you want me to do analysis on, then feel free to connect with me right now. You know, Share it, and I'm gonna do my analysis on that coin. Now, looking at the structure for Floki, okay, what are you seeing again? Again, guys, again, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows, and but still, price is in our range. In our range, I pulled the fib, and price rejected from the fib. You see this movement here. Price hasn't yet broken structure. For us to confirm break of structure, price must go above where the alpha trend printed the sell signal here. So price must do this at least, then we expect price to come back down. Let me see. I'm not able to take this. Price must do this. Then we expect price to come back there. Hold. That's when we are buying. This is where we are buying the retracement. You know. So don't think that, okay, maybe where price is you are losing. No. Don't look at lower time frame to want to, like, if you look at, like, let's say for example, if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see, yeah, that, oh, you can think that maybe, yeah, I'm losing money, I was losing money. But guys, no. Again, we want to see price break structure. We are seeing now this vector here. You know what we are seeing now on the 15 minutes time frame is gonna give us what we might expect for the day. Because if price breaks structure, yeah, it means we might have a good day, doing retracement. If price retrace back, this is important. But I don't like, or if I'm trading, then I go to lower time frame. I want to always stick on higher time frame, like 4 hours. Because 4 hours you can see clearly what structure is doing. Now on the 4 hours time frame, Look at what happened with Floki, my friends. Floki, made this move to the upside. It breaks structure, yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. Now, what did I do, or what should we do in like when you see something like this? You bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool, take it from this zone to this zone. You're gonna give you the golden pocket. The golden pocket is where you wanna buy. Now, in this case, this is the golden pocket. I'm gonna take off this other one, so we now focus on the lower time frame. So now, looking at this coin price action on the day trade, if you're a day trader, trade this and make quick gains for the day, then this is the zone you're buying. Price is there. Price should not break this zone. Price must not break this zone. Price already attempted, yeah. We have already seen price, this stopping volume candle. Price have done something here. And also we saw this, yeah. So price must not do this. No. Now, what happened if I zoom this? See, look at this stopping volume candle here. This, price should hold. We don't want to see price break below, as I mentioned. It must hold. You can trade sideways there, then boom, it pumped to the upside. Now, let's bring in some other indicators here, like the trendillo. You can see the trendillo is forming a divergence here. Look, divergence clean, and it's squeezing. The Bologna band is squeezing on the trendillo. This to me is bullish for Floki. It's bullish until price invalidates. So if you want to trade this right now I would say buy Floki Inu. But if you see Floki Inu today do something like this, break below, you wait a little bit for price to retrace back there, then you sell. Now you'll be selling at this is what we also call proper risk management. You don't just sell when it's dumping; you sell when price retrace and price is not able to go and break. This is how you analyze. So when if you're down, right, or in Floki, or you are buying right now, you are buying, and if say price is not able to go above, it'll do like this, then you're gonna sell. Yeah. So that's why also if we go to the lower time frame, like 4 hours time, the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this zone should be a zone on the 4 hours time frame that price should break and go above. Then come back, hold. Looking at market structure. But if price is not able to go and recover, break and trade above this where the alpha trend printed itself signal for Floki then we can now go back to the 4 hours time frame and see what might happen if this it's not gonna if this move is not gonna happen. Guys, this is just how you look at it. You don't this doesn't like it's not rocket science. It's just you looking at what the market makers they are doing, their behavior, and when you are able to understand it, most of the time you're gonna be making good decisions. And doesn't mean that every time you look at the market it's gonna favor but most at times, you're gonna be making profit looking at this. So if you have any coin again that you want me to do analysis on, then feel free to comment the coin so I can do analysis for you. And I think very soon we're gonna call this a go because I have 2 minutes left before we go. I wanna do a separate Floki analysis with you guys. But before we go, let's just quickly look at baby Dogecoin, the baby Dogecoin. Let's see what's going on with baby Doge coin. This might take some time to load. Let's see what's going on with the baby. Okay, so this is baby Dogecoin on OKX. Usually baby Dogecoin is not respecting the trendillo, so I understand why. Oh boy, oh boy, Dogecoin is on fire. Look at this boy. Look at this baby Dogecoin. Look at this. 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 I talk about this that we're gonna see a huge pump for baby Dogecoin. I didn't know that this was coming, but oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna quickly look at how many percent or 40% gains. Oh boy. Now let's analyze. Let's look at this. Let me take off this Trendilo. It usually doesn't respect Dogecoin. Now I'm looking at this and say, okay, what is going on here? Maybe there's a huge news of listing on Binance. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna look at it later on, and I'm gonna look at it with you guys right now. Let's go on X. Let's look at what is going on with Dogecoin. Let's see. Maybe there's something. It's a news. Something is going on right now with the project. Let's just look at X and see if say we can find something with the coin or something that is making it to pump. Let's see what's going on here with Baby Dogecoin. And my analysis is gonna help you guys understand clearly why Baby Dogecoin is doing what it's doing and how we might get involved. Like when we can buy again. It can pump like that for like can do 1x. I'm not gonna buy it, but I'm gonna buy it at the right time because it's gonna respect structure. So let's see what's going on there. Our new Telegram game is out. That's on 15 now. Let's see. Soon. You win. Let's see. Airbang. Now, hey, meme lovers. Let's see. The top three powers now. There's not major news here with Dogecoin. We have listened to feedback from our community members regarding the recent bug. As always, Baby Doge cares deeply about its community. So I'm not seeing any recent news about Baby Dogecoin, today's daily story. There's nothing here on their official page, nothing. This was pinned on July 15. We are in September. Right now, this is the past 18 hours. This is what they have posted. Their last post. So let's see their replies. If say there's something major going on here. Save them. Okay, Elon Musk. Let's see. Nothing is really happening here, guys. Nothing is happening in terms of big news. So let's go back to price action and see what is going on here. This is a daily time frame. Now, if you are buying or if you are holding with Dogecoin right now, you know what I'll say to you right now: sell, cash out profit, take out your first profit now, like now. Okay, this is what I call market structure, respecting structure. Price will respect the structure. It will respect it. It won't. And for us to keep on like to confirm that this is gonna be the case, then price should do something like this: break above here, come back and hold it. But I won't see this as a sustainable move because price must respect structure. So this is the first pump after this downward movement. No matter what price does today, price should stay above this zone. Stay above it. Then tomorrow, price should at least recover half of this vector candle. And if price recover half of this vector candle, let's now bring in the FIP on the 4 hours time frame. This is not magic, and what I'm going to share to you right now will happen. So this is what you do. You can either bring in the this something like this, measure it, then you plug the middle. From where this candle will close. Let me just say, this is gonna be the middle. Price will come back here. Yeah. Let me mark here today. I'm gonna do is now that baby Dogecoin is pumping, I'm gonna do a separate video on that. So let's like this. Let me mark this. This really is the first area where we see rejection. Now, for me to know exactly where I might get the first retracement for this coin, so what I want to see. Okay, I'm gonna pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from here to there. And what I'm looking at is this golden pocket, this zone here, and also where I'm looking at is this last zone here, this area here around the 0.00000015. But in this zone, from this zone here, the first rejection will be from here. So I can buy it here and make quick gains up here. I can buy it here and make quick gains up there. That's 11%. Okay. I can as well wait for it to come back here. It's not happen. I'm telling you. But if this pump is actually really super bullish, then this is where we are gonna be looking at this these two lines here, the first and the second line. Is are the area where we'll be looking for massive retracement. It's very important, guys. So if you are holding the Dogecoin right now and you're trading it and you are a day trader, then buy it. Sorry, sell and take out profit right now. Right now. It might pump, but it will come back there. Wait for retracement. This is what I teach. And again, you can still bring in the flip right now. Like you can still take it like this. You bring it right up down to this zone here, right down to this zone here, and it's gonna give you the best entry ever. This is the best entry now around this area, you know. And if it does happen like that, it's gonna be price is gonna stay in structure. But this vector that you are seeing like this on the 4 hours time frame, on the daily time frame, you're gonna see the same vector. On the 1 hour time frame, you're gonna see the same thing going on here. You know, it is just telling you that something is gonna happen or is happening right now. And in no time, we're gonna see huge retracement back for price. So you can trade this, you can, make money, to sell short term, but price will come back there and I'm gonna buy it with you guys. Wow, that's also that I found baby Dogecoin now, and I'm gonna go and after today's show I'm gonna do a special show for baby Dogecoin this pump. So yeah, I think after the show I'm gonna do um a 30 minutes baby Dogecoin live stream. So let's follow price action. You see it's pumping, you know. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just after some few minutes we're gonna do a baby Dogecoin live show. All right, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.